That's some big ass raindrops.
I'm soaked.
Yeah, that apparently was just a little low.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I got kind of rained out. Yeah. Now this is the kind of stuff that is frustrating when you only have limited time to do work out on some property. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. This weather came in, so wanted to do this quick video to get something out and hopefully help some of you out there. So I tested it out and it worked. It was interesting that some of you pointed out my rim was spinning in my tire. Thanks for those of you out there who pointed that out to me. I barely noticed it. I barely noticed it whenever I was doing the editing for my previous video, but it was a good catch. Some of you guys got good eyes. Did a fair amount of research on online, you know, checked a bunch of tractor forums. So checked Green Tractor Talk, Tractor by Net, and a whole bunch of others, and found the solution is pretty straightforward, pretty simple to the wheel spinning or the rim spinning inside the tire. Low in pressure needed in order for the bead to seat properly and to stay seated even with filled tires. Needed to have needed to check the pressure and make certain that the pressure was up near the limit. I think the rating on the tire said 20, and so whenever I checked the pressure, it said it was at about 6. I haven't done this. I wanted.
Who?
See, that's
It doesn't seem to be sticking.
problem I have here is I don't know what the pressure is supposed to be.
Should be on the sidewall, isn't it?
Max, it says max 20. So it's probably. So
I'd run it close to 20.
Yeah, probably do.
At least for now, to see if that will keep it from spinning. So the other thing is, this is not going to be the best weather to test this out.
No. Hopefully this thing isn't dead. Oh, it's right already.
Look, we got a little bit of tree canopy. You got another battery?
Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh yeah, it's only. I'm gonna set it to 20. Okay. What do I do with the valve then?
Is it in your mouth?
No.
Pocket.
Oh,
Is it on the trailer?
Here, I'm gonna start it up really quick, and I'm just gonna.
You want to start it up and just stab the bucket into here? There you go. Tires spinning, the wheel's not. You're good.
Dip lock. Let me dip lock it.
Diff lock it and try it, yeah. You're good, it's fixed. That's some big ass raindrops.
I'm soaked.
Yeah, that apparently was just a little low.
So by filling it up to the 20 pounds of pressure, it sealed it up and it held. The rim didn't spin. All right. Well, thanks again, everybody. Hope this helps somebody out there. Somebody else who is running into this problem when your rim is slipping and your tractor tire isn't. So, all right. We'll see you on the next video. Yeah, that came out of nowhere.
I couldn't see out my beard, but like, okay. I don't know, it goes off the back, it goes off that way. Yeah, you can touch it,
New equipment. Yeah, that came out of nowhere.